There. I hope everyone is doing great. Welcome to my channel. Kindly like, subscribe, and share if you are new. And if you got any ideas, do let me know, and I will create next video based on your idea. So this is simple script explaining how to, let's say, how to share Microsoft Form the response as an email. Okay. So let's say, for example, you have form. This is just simple T-shirt sign up form. Let's say whenever someone submitted this form you want to receive email uh, email with all the data that that person submitted. So first of all, you need to create new flow, automated cloud flow, and it will be response is submitted. I am switching to new designer, old designer, as old designer works faster compared to new one for me. So first of all, you need to select form. Let me search for t-shirt. So this is the form. Now we need to get form response. This one. And then again search for your form. And in here, unique a response ID, you need to provide response ID from this. Now, whenever someone submitted form, you will get this data. Let's say now you want to send that data as email. So what you need to do is use send email action, send an email. Now you need to put, okay, email here for the subject. Let's say you want to uh, send for example, right now I am using this filter, so I am going to use testing out and then uh, name of person submitted form. Like it will get name of person who submit the form and dynamically create the subject. Now in body, let's say you want to show like this. Let's say you want to show it like name. Then after the name, you want to show t-shirt size. Okay. And let's say after this, you want to add delivery address. Okay. So for the name, we need to pick your name. For this, we need to pick this. And for delivery address, we need to pick this, your delivery address. So let's save it. Whenever someone submit form, it will this simple flow will automatically send email with all the data. Let's say you want to receive uh, the form response as an email, so you can look at it and see who submitted the form. Okay, now it's waiting for the form to be submitted. I open this form here. Let's say I name it bit easier, and let's say large, and then again bit easier address. Okay, when I submit this form, the flow will start running after some time. As you can see, flow is running, and it will send an email to myself with all the data related to this. So I should receive email in here testing out, and if I click here, I will see bit easier submitted the form, and I will see output like this. Okay, let's say you don't want to receive this. Okay, let's say you allow only single selection, and if you allow single selection, you won't get this like this. As this is the default form, it allows multiple selection. That's why I am getting response like this. Okay. So if you select single selection, let's say like right now I can choose these and they always show. But in case you select the single selection, In here, it will just show LR, MR, whatever that person select. In case you have any questions or you have some idea or you are following this tutorial or any other tutorial of mine and you got stuck somewhere, kindly please do let me know the details in the comment or reach me out through the email that I mentioned in the channel description and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.